Okay, just want to briefly introduce what this machine is. It's a Brother TC225 10 tool changer milling machine with an XY bed, and you have the Z on the vertical column here with the rotating mechanical tool changer. And here's the interface. Here are some of the main specifications. I have the CNC hooked up currently to a Phase-O-Matic. If you follow this cord around right here, you'll see the junction box, which plugs into the rear of the mill. Looks like the maximum speed is about 6,000 RPM on the spindle, rated for 3,000. Here's the main operation procedure, the layout of the controls. Overall, I'm pretty happy about it. I'm excited to make some stuff.